Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd show you my sewing room as I've made little improvements. I know I've always been on the lookout for some inspo, and so maybe this can help you with some ideas. So first of all, we already had a large table that I was using as my sewing table, and what I did is I took my Saito new flatbed industrial machine, and because it can be adjusted, I lifted it up and just slid it over the table, so giving me an extended workspace. You'll notice on the side I have my fabric. I find it difficult to organize that, so please guys, any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. There I have my little ironing board, and you'll notice the shelves on the wall. We did have a cabinet, but the drawers kept getting stuck, so what we did is actually took the drawers out and just bolted them to the wall. It helps a lot because I can see inside. There is still some organizing to do with regards to the ribbons and things. There's my trusted mannequin. She helps a lot with being my little cameraman at times, and I like to have various recording methods. I have a little camera that's actually designed for the dashboard of a car. I use that at times. I like to also watch something while I'm sewing and have a good cup of coffee. So there's my machine, which I can use at ease. And then I've like to add some comfort, some warmth, a little lamp. And on the side, I also have my overlocker and my domestic machine. This hanger I ordered from Temu. It came in more useful than I expected and can hold quite a bit and is very sturdy. So there I have the drawers and my mannequin. I have some organizing. I have my material, and again, this is where I need your help, guys. My zips and ties are all just hanging over a hanger, so please, if you have some ideas, let me know. There are some cutouts, some templates of some of the patterns that I use, just using masonite board. And again, my fabric, I have tried to organize it in patterns and plain. This is my little organized complete table, so when products are done and ready to be delivered, I have my little thank you bags, I have my tags that I attach to the bags or to the product, and if it's for a bag, I have a little leather attachment that's my hashtag I have baggage. If it's for another project, I have my Join the Middle Mom logo. Then I also have an order book and an order form just to help me to keep track. I do make to order, so there's also a little printer that I bought, also of Temu. It has little stickers, which is ideal for personal labeling. Underneath, I have some boxes and just some material or little folders or things like that that I can slip items into before they are shipped. I love to have some inspo, so some creativity, so I've stuck this up. And I'd love to put some more quotes on the walls and things like that, just to get that creative spirit flowing. So there again, just one of the ideas that I'd love to add to the back of my wall. There's my tripod, has a nice light and camera holder. Did you notice on the top of the roof there is a cell phone cover that I have put up at the top? It's screwed on, but not too tight, so that it can swivel. It's ideal for getting a broader scope from literally a bird's eye view. I like to have different angles. I have also put a security camera in the corner, just to also give a different view. Then obviously we need to watch something good. and so watching my channel. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope there were some ideas that you could take away. I would really love to hear what you guys have done, and some helpful feedback would really be appreciated. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.